As you can see right here, we are at the beginning of the Lost Mine Trail. That's what we're about to hike here. Right here, it's a little placard tell you about it. You can see it's 4.8 miles round trip, 1,100 feet elevation gain, and you do that going up. So the start is always the hard on this. And if you want to read this stuff, just pause this. Going down, show you this side. So you can pause that and read that if you like. And then here's the trail safety guidelines. And then the trail rules. And you can see down here there's no bikes, no pets, no smoking, no camping. And right there is your elevation map of the thing. So we'll take off up this way. You can see it starts off paved and it goes to dirt, so we'll look at it as we go along. Alright, so here's our first little pull off, if you will, for our views on this Lost Mine Trail. I forgot to tell you that today is Wednesday, the 14th of February, 2018. It's Valentine's Day. We started this trail at
146, 148.
No, it wasn't that. It had to be what, 12:40, or was it?
Yeah, 148.
Okay, yeah, I guess it was 1:48 this afternoon. We started it. We're late starters day. But anyway, this is your first viewpoint, and you can see the sky up here. Really, really nice, and just the hills and stuff right there. And the trail goes on up that way. And if you want to look, this is the trail over here. You can hopefully see a part of that going down through there. That's the way we came up, was right on down through there. And there's a little valley here. Goes to these big rugged hills. You can see the sky back here. It's way more clouded here. But like I said, over here, man, really, really nice. So I like this view and like the way this looks. Alright, so we'll continue on, see what else we can get. Alright, so here's the trail. We're heading up that. But we come across now this viewpoint. You see this? Some of that, in some ways, if you've been watching all the videos, may look familiar. Because that over there, this is all part of that whole South Rim area that we walked a little over a week ago. Back to 8 days ago. And then see all these nice big rocks in these things, and then look back this way up there, and then of course the valley down. So pretty nice views. Very hazy. It's always hazy in this park. That's the one negative to it, but still some pretty nice views up here, up close at least. And that of course is very, very clear, so hopefully you like that. So when I get to something else, we'll show you that as well. Alright, so going along this trail here, and of course all the landscape changed. You can see we're in a veritable little forest here, and some blue sky up there, and the trail's about the same as it's been since, we got that pavement at the very beginning. And it's just sort of neat the way that these things change and give you different looks. So I wanted to make sure I shared this part with you so you can see it. And then we'll travel on, and again, same like always. Things change. I'll show it to you. Alright, so 2 hours even, and we finally made it. We're up here at the top. You can see the view behind me. Hopefully you can hear my voice, because this wind is just absolutely crazy. But you see that view behind me? There's what it looks like looking down. How's that for a view? Okay, let me give you a slow 360 just to show you this whole area and show you that we're pretty much on top of the world here. Wow, that wind's almost cold after we've been sweating like crazy. So there you go, there's your 360. That out there that you see back behind me, that's called Elephant Tusk. So you should have a good view of that. And we're done, so we're going to stay there for a little while, get a break, and then we'll start heading back down. See you then. Hey guys, it is 5:33. We made it back, and so we're done. So we started this trail at 1:48, so 12 minutes to 12. We got back at 5:33, so that's 3 hours and 45 minutes. 3 hours and 45 minutes exact being totally worn out. Yesterday was the day that we did our 21.7 miles. And so I was definitely far more tired than I ever thought I was. And got hurt from it. So bad hips, bad foot. So 3 hours and 45 minutes on this trail ain't bad at all for me. So you can see the beginning sign right there and that one over there. So that's it. I'm closing this one out. We'll call her done. Hope you enjoyed it.